Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Ustad. I am Eevee, I'm 25, and I'm a sales manager. As you've said earlier, that the best way of jihad is to taking care of our parents if they are still alive. Now, the case is that my mom is Christian, and I was born in Islam, but my mom is Christian. And she often asked me to drop her to the church, celebrate Christmas, and do the other Christian agenda. And on the other side, my father already closed his door for me because I still taking care of my mother. They were divorced because I still taking care of my mother. My father has closed his door for me. He blocked me. I couldn't reach out him. And what do you think the best possible way for me to fix my relationship with them, and maybe other possible way for me to do my jihad? Thank you.
Sister, is your father a Muslim?
Yeah.
Yes, you didn't say that, but I understood. The sister said that her father is a Muslim, mother is a Christian. She was born as a Muslim, but because of divorce now, parents are staying separate. The mother, she tries to support the mother. Mother says that, she tells that, take me to the church to celebrate Christmas. I said in my talk, it's mentioned in the Quran that you have to love and respect your parents. But also says in Surah Luqman chapter 31, verse number 15, and Surah Ankabut chapter 29, verse number 8, that if your parents do jihad, strive and struggle to make you worship somebody else besides Allah, don't obey them, but live with them in compassion. So if your mother says that drop me to the church, it is not permitted. But when she's coming back home, you can get her back from the church to the home. Do you understand? There's a difference.
Ah, okay.
Dropping not permitted because you are helping her to do shirk. But when she has finished, if she wants to come back home, you be ready outside the church, get her home. When she asks you to celebrate Christmas, you ask her why you want to celebrate Christmas. She will say, oh, Jesus is God. Then you repeat what I said. You do dawah with her. You tell her, you prove to me Jesus is God, I will accept Christianity, correct? So you tell her, either you become a Muslim or I become a Christian, correct?
Yeah.
Whoever is correct will follow. Whatever I said in my talk, if you go on my YouTube, you'll find my talk similarities with Islam and Christianity. And I told in the earlier answer to the sister that if Christian means following the teachings of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, we Muslims are more Christian than the Christians themselves. Say the same thing. You should love your mother. Loving a non-Muslim mother is not wrong. You have to take care of your mother. You have to respect your mother. Only thing, what she says is what is against the Quran, against the teachings of Prophet, only those things don't follow. If she says, oh God, daughter, wear blue, you may not like blue in the house. No problem, blue is not haram, wear blue, make her happy, give her gifts, give her money. No problem, love her more, care for her, take care of her. Only those things she says, like celebrating Christmas, dropping to the church, these things you say, mother, I am not following because this will cause you damage. I love you, but if I come with you to church, even you will go to hell, I will go to hell. I don't want you to go to hell, I love you, my mother. So you should know how to speak, do dawah. This is your jihad. Tell your father that she is my mother, I have to do jihad. Do even jihad with your father. Tell your father it is my duty. Even though she is a Christian, I have to love her. Quran doesn't say that only love your Muslim mother and father. No. You can't say uff to her. But do dawah, convince her, see my video cassette, give my video cassettes to her, give my books to her, convince her. Even if she gets angry, keep on, give gifts, give sweets to her, correct? How much more you love, more chances she will accept. And see to it that you convince her, do dawah, keep on doing till the last day. That's your duty. Whether they accept or not, Allah will not question you if she doesn't accept. But if you don't do dawah, Allah will question you. So keep on doing dawah. Pray to Allah that she gets hidayah. I pray too that she gets hidayah. And may she accept Islam. Hope that answers the question.
Jazakallah.